Still using VLOOKUP for everything? XLOOKUP does the same job faster, safer, and it can even search to the left. Here is the 60-second showdown you need to see. VLOOKUP breaks when you insert columns, it cannot look left, and it defaults to fuzzy matches. One tiny change to your sheet and suddenly every result is wrong. We have employee IDs in column A and names in column B. Click the empty result cell. With VLOOKUP, you would count columns by hand. With XLOOKUP, you just point. Type XLOOKUP, then the ID you are searching for, the column to search in, and the column to return from. No column numbers, no counting, and exact match is the default. Press Enter and the name appears instantly. Insert or delete columns all you want. XLOOKUP never breaks. That is hours of debugging broken VLOOKUPs gone for good. You just future-proofed every lookup in 5 seconds. Most Excel users still count columns like it is 2005. Subscribe, I drop one Excel upgrade like this every day.